Hey Oliver fans, so right now we are at PetSmart, just doing a little bit of Christmas shopping, and I have to say the great thing about having a dog, one of the great things about having a dog is you can do your Christmas shopping right in front of them. Like, I might buy something right now for him for Christmas, and he won't know that it's his Christmas present. He may realize that he'll get it eventually, but it'll still be a surprise when I give it to him. So, Oliver, what do you want for Christmas? Why don't you show me, and then you'll get it later. Hey, Oliver, I think I've already picked out something for him, so maybe I can attract his attention. Hey, Oliver, let's go this way. Let's go this way. No, don't bark, Oliver. So, we've been going to the dog park lately, and he's really into playing with other dogs' toys, especially these. So these are flingers, and these are the balls that come with the flingers. And he really likes them, and he often steals them from other dogs. So you can have your own. Okay, PetSmart's turning into a madhouse, so we better go, but hope everyone else's Christmas shopping is going just as well as ours is. Okay, say goodbye, Oliver.